Today, using coconut coir put in a mattress become a global trend as coir mattress bring many benefits to users. Coir mattress offers good support for the spine and it adapts to your body shade over time. CocoHitech as manufacturer of coir mattress will introduce how a coir mattress is used for your mattress. Coir mattress is over by cotton draft, 90%. Coir mattress is put on the bottom of the mattress. Coir mattress is put as a layer in the middle. Breathable. Natural material. All skin type. Back pain relief. Affordable.